So cooking my goated soup was delicious last Saturday, guys. I did a little quick clip so I could show you what I did. So this is lentil peas. I put it in the pot to cook with the goat head. I put the goat head, chop up the goat head, drop it in the, wash it, clean it up and drop it in the pot. And I also add some, what do you call that in there? Irish mash. Yes, I'm not talking about no tin Irish mash, I'm talking about the natural Irish mash. So this is the food that I'm going to put in the soup, which is the pumpkin, the yam, the carrot, a little sweet potato, corn, chocho, yes. And see there now, peas are cooked, and you can barely see it in the pot, but when the goat head cook now, I'm going to take out the goat head now, and then mince it up. So that's it. I take out the goat head, get my cutting board, and once it cook, I can able to dice it up small and put it back in the pot. Then I cut up all of my vegetable and season up my meat with my noodle. Everything at this going at the pot one time. Seasoning and food, dumpling and etc. Peel up everything, season it up, put everything in at the pot one time, and just left it. They make it cook. When the food cook, that's it. The goat head did already cook. Oh, me find one other big piece of goat head that I forgot cut up too. Cause me not want no big old piece of meat in the pot. Me not gonna enjoy it. Right? So I have to dice up the meat small, where it enjoyable, seasoning and everything cook through it. So I season up the pot with one onion, scallion, thyme, pimento seed. I'm gonna drop a little bit of Maggi on purpose in there. Yes, because I cook Maggi with everything. Maggi I gonna need to pay me. Cause I will heap of time I just always talk about them. So cause me like them season, I'm not gonna lie. I eat me using on my pot. It most time it alone. But that is it. Everything in there and it has simmered down now. So oh yeah, cut up the banana with the skin in there. You know you have to strengthen the thing. And that is it. And that is my goated soup, guys. See it there? So this is the finishing up, you know. Just need a little like a 5 more minutes and this is ready. Yeah. Watch there, watch there. Everything look like it cook right now. Ready for throwing on in a bowl and eat. What soup? Watch goated soup. Lentil peas, Irish mash, two of them they combine with the green banana skin, strung up the back. A baby something this year, no? Oh, stand there.